FTX debtors challenge IRS over whopping $24 billion tax claim. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Debtors of FTX have raised concerns over the Internal Revenue Service's IRS claim of $24 billion in taxes, warning that it could impede the return of customer funds. In a filing submitted on Sunday, the debtors argued that their earnings were nowhere near the amount claimed by the IRS, and instead, they incurred substantial losses. These cases present a zero-sum game, lawyers representing the bankrupt exchange stated. The only source of recovery for the IRS is by taking recoveries away from victims. As there is no basis to assert any tax claim against the debtors, the IRS's reliance on its own processes only serves to delay distributions to those truly injured. Initially, the IRS alleged claims of $43 billion but revised it to $24 billion. FTX's debtors contested that the IRS failed to provide a basis for its claims, and the U.S. previously stated that the IRS's claims are not subject to estimation. Consequently, the burden falls on the FTX debtors to disprove the claims, which could take several months to resolve. These cases should not be delayed by an IRS process that is akin to determining whether a shipwreck sits at 1,000 feet or 3,000 feet below sea level. The import is the same. The ship is underwater. The lawyers further asserted. Ernst & Young EY recorded FTX's loss at $11 billion, a figure reportedly reflected on the tax returns. Resolution of IRS's claims necessary for FTX bankruptcy case. Although the FTX debtors have been cooperating with the IRS and providing requested documents, they argue that an additional lengthy fact discovery period is unnecessary since the IRS has been evaluating the tax issues for months. Resolution of the IRS's claims is crucial for the progress of the bankruptcy proceedings. As per the proposed schedule, an evidentiary hearing is scheduled for confirmation in February of next year, allowing the parties to present their positions and provide briefing on the issues. However, if the back and forth between the FTX debtors and the IRS continues, it could lead to a delay in the bankruptcy plan. The filing notes that the U.S. provided an 8-month estimation schedule for further IRS investigation. FTX, which declared bankruptcy in November of the previous year, has been dealing with additional challenges as its former CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried, was found guilty of fraud in November of this year. Bankman-Fried's sentencing hearing is also set for February 2024. In late November, FTX received approval from a bankruptcy court to sell its stakes in digital trusts managed by Grayscale Investments. The assets, valued at about $744 million last month, form a key component of FTX's plan to manage its bankruptcy. Since filing for bankruptcy last year amidst fraud allegations, FTX has been on a mission to recover assets and address a complex network of debts. This includes obligations to customers who invested cash and cryptocurrencies on the platform. So far, FTX's administrators have successfully recovered around $7 billion in assets, including $3.4 billion in crypto, highlighting the scale and complexity of the company's financial entanglements. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simd. co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.